Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans ce petit tutoriel. Welcome to this small tutorial to help you how to use the module of our publisher Didier. So you just go to your platform Mon Alliance and you pick your email address and then you put your password. Very easy, right? Then you go into your platform and you choose your batch. In that case, it's a complete beginner batch. So then you click on Module tab. And as you can see, on Module, you have different modules. Each module are related to unité of your book. Unité 1, Unité 2. And then you have more units. As you can see, here is green. It means that you have already done these 2 units. Here it's brown. It means that you are in process of doing this unit. Here is gray. It means that you have not touched it. So I decide to continue Unité 2, Activité. I go into these modules and I can see that here you have different exercises and all these topics are related to Unité 2 of your book. So then you can practice, you can try, and you can improve your French skills. All the squares in green mean that you have already started or done the exercise. So let's finish l'habitat. We go to l'habitat and we will select this exercise. So I just need to put the word into the right sentence. So for example, j'habite une grande maison avec un jardin et une piscine. C'est très calme. Et il y a des magasins au village, à 2 km. C'est une villa à la campagne, par exemple. Je vis au 3e étage d'un immeuble. Chez moi, il y a 2 chambres, un salon et même un balcon. C'est peut-être un appartement. Etc. Then you validate. My score 4/10. So then you can practice, and at the end you can terminer when you have done all the exercises on your own path. And you have another kind of module. It's not training, it's not activité, it's bilan. This means that when you have completed the Unit 2 with your teacher, you can have some kind of a bilan of what you have done so far. This bilan can be used pour l'évaluation continue, continuous training as well. So when you click on bilan, you can see that you have different exercises selected by competence. We'll do it together. So, for example, here you have a compréhension orale.
Allô?
Allô?
And you can listen to this
Téléphone
audio.
Pour l'annonce de l'appartement à louer.
So then you select what you have understood on this exercise. Validate, and you have your score. Compréhension écrite, the same. Oh, I forgot to validate. It's very important when you do your exercise to validate. Otherwise, it will not be counted in statistics. So you have to validate all the time. And then you can continue. Please don't forget. This is just a tryout. So I have finished all the exercises and I put terminé. When I click on terminé, I have my final score. My final score is 30% over the 4 activities which I have done. I can see all the activities in my statistics. I click to Statistics. And here, I can see that I have done Unit 1, Unit 2, and I have done Unit 2 Bilan. I spent 1 minute 14 seconds, and my score was 30%. The average of the class is 62%, and I can see that I've completed the whole exercise. So please, do your exercise on modules, and you will improve your French. Thank you.